Okay, today I will be doing a live trading on the strategy I just posted on my channel. So if you follow the strategy closely, just as I taught on my channel, we can see an opportunity coming around here. So we set it based on the strategy I taught earlier. So place our pink candle here, right? There is it. So we see at first it traded from our pin box to our upper Bollinger Band and came back in. So go to our 15 minutes time frame to look for an entry point. So as you can see, here's our order block. On our 15 minutes chart. Here is it. So we paint it yellow. So you can see our order block has been broken and it came back for a retest. Came back for a retest. So we can enter and place our stop loss at the lower Bollinger Band. So our stop loss will be around here, 1.6408, 1.64081. Let's enter another position again. 1.64081. Buy. So our take profit will be on the 4 hours chart. So we go back to the 4 hours chart to set our take profit. So our take profit will be at the upper Bollinger Band on the 4 hours chart. This is it here. So 1.6534. That will be our take profit. $1.6534. So once we're in profit, I will post a video on our profits. If you guys still remember, we entered this trade on the 21st of August using the simple strategy I showed us. And this is the second day, on the 24th. Can you see? So we are now in profit. This is day 2. Okay, this is day 3 of our trade. So we can see the way it's moving up. Can you see? We entered on the 21st of August. So if you can see, this is our profit for day 3. Day 3 profit. We entered the trade on the 21st, and today is 25th. So if you see, it's almost close to our take profit. We are almost close to take profit. So you see, this strategy works. What you just need is patience. Most of the time, this strategy comes once in a month for each currency pair. So you just need to be patient and wait. When it comes, you enter and you give it all you got. You just have a little to lose and much to gain. So what you need is patience. So that's the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be notified. Thanks.